Hello guys, this is Ayush Patwal from IntelliRise Tech Solution, and today I'm going to present a session on AngularJS custom filters. AngularJS provides user to create their own filters. Filters in AngularJS are used to modify the data. So let us try to reverse a string using custom filters. So for that, open your Visual Studio. So over here, this is my AngularJS custom filters HTML page. Over here, this is my title, and I have included the AngularJS script file in my project. Now I will add a script tag over here. Inside script tag, I will create a what I have to do is I will be reversing a string. Means the user will enter a text or will enter a string, and that string will be reversed. So this is I will be making a filter for that, because filters are used to modify the data. Whatever the data I will be entering, that data will be reversed. Okay, so for that, first of all I will be creating the module. So for that, var app, var is used to create the variable. So var app is equals to angular.module. So inside this is my module name, and this shows the dependency. So over here there is no dependency. Okay, I have shown over here no dependency is shown over here. Then app.filter. So this will pass the two parameters over here. First of all, it will pass the name of your filter, that is reverse. So this is the name of my filter. Then it will pass in function. So this will be passing a function. Then it will return a new function. Okay, it will return a new return function. So for that, I will writing a return function. So first of all, this is app.filter. This is used to create filter. To create any filter, we will be using app. That is the name of the variable which have been written over here, dot filter. Then this will pass the two arguments. First of all, the name of the name of the filter, and second is your function. This function will return another new filter function, and which takes the value as input as the first argument. Then over here, I will be writing my code to reverse my string. Okay, so input is equals to input here. This is the for loop. For I is equals to 0, I is less than input dot length. Input dot length means the string which I am entering, its length. I plus plus, which will pass result is equals to input, that is the string which you will be entering, dot caret I position. Okay, plus result. Which will pass or we can see which will return your result. In the body section, what I will be doing over here, I will include another directive, predefined directive of AngularJS, that is ngapp, which is equals to and name of my application, that is my app. Then here I will be entering your name. Enter your name. So user will be writing his name and in an input in a text box. So for that I will create a text box. So input type is equals to text and ng model is equals to string. And in the paragraph tag I will include the data binding expression inside that string. So this is my string which you have entered. Okay, you entered whatever you have entered, that will be shown over here. Okay, this is my string that has been entered by the user, and reverse string will be shown over here. So this is my code of reversing the string. So first of all, what I have done, I have created the module. Here my app is the name of my application. Then to create the filter, app.filter is used. Inside this there are two parameters. First of all, the name of the filter. Then it will pass another parameter function which will return the new function, filter function, new filter function, which takes the value of input as its first parameter or first argument. Then this is the code to reverse the string. Then it will return your result. Okay. Next you will come in the body section. So in there ng app, then you will be entering your name in the text box. The name will be entered, and whatever you have entered, it will show your name. Then reverse string, then the string, this is the filter, that is the pipeline used to filter, which will convert or which will reverse that string whatever you have entered. So just save it and run this code. So over here, enter your name. So if I enter my name as IntelliLearn, so you can see you entered an IntelliLearn. Okay, you have entered this, and reverse string is this. Should include this in paragraph section. So save this. There was some editing mistake, as it was shown over here like this. So I will be, now it's okay. So enter your name over here. So if I enter my name as IntelliLearn, so you can see you entered IntelliLearn. You have entered this word. Now the reverse string is, you can see this is the reverse string of what you have entered over here. Okay, so this is how we have created a custom filter using AngularJS. So that's all for today's session. For more updates, please stay tuned to IntelliLearn.in. Thank you.